What's the meaning of acrid? Acrid. 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 The term acrid is used to describe a strong, pungent odor or taste that is often unpleasant. It can also refer to harsh, bitter or caustic language or behavior. Acrid substances and fumes can cause irritation to the eyes, nose and throat, as well as respiratory problems and other health issues when inhaled. For example, the acrid smoke coming from a factory chimney could be harmful if inhaled for prolonged periods. In summary, acrid describes an intense, often negative, sensory experience that can be irritating or harmful to one's health.